So naghahanap ka ng affordable pero good quality na Korean skincare, watch this. So nagpadala ang iWhite Korea na PR package. Ito yung favorite ko since high school. First product na gagamitin natin ay ito, the Glow Booster Vitamin C Serum. Meron itong vitamin C na nakakatulong sa skin to achieve a brighter glow, smoothen skin surface. It can also lighten dark spots and acne marks and can bring out plump, youthful skin. So ito naman yung facial cream nila. This is an all-around face cream with natural active ingredients that can give you the 3 essential benefits: whitening, dual UV protection, and you can also use this as a makeup base. Kung naalala nyo yung old packaging ng BB Holic, ito na yung new packaging nila ngayon. Naglabas na rin sila ng iba't ibang shade. What I like about this BB Sun Tint is lightweight lang siya at saka pag nilagay mo siya sa balat, sobrang natural lang.
Create a cushion with me.
Ito yung lagayan kung saan natin ilalagay yung BB Sun Tint at saka yung facial cream. Ang shade ko nga pala dito ay Light 03.